We want to welcome everyone. This is our webinar online seminar about the Forex Big Event, and the main question that's going to be answered at the end of this presentation is, will you be there? And most importantly, why should you be there? My name is Forex Joe, and I want to welcome everybody to this event. The big event will be a 3-day bonanza extravaganza. It will begin on Wednesday, March the 2nd. We'll continue all day Thursday, March the 3rd. Lead into non-farm payroll on all day Friday, March the 4th, 2011. This is our annual big event. This will be the 5th time I participated in a big event. I started it 5 years ago, and this will be OU Forex's 2nd big event. Many of you that were there last year picked up a tremendous amount of material from some of the top Forex professionals in the business. What is the big event? Ladies and gentlemen, it's an amazing online Forex trading event that brings together an all-star cast of Forex experts for 3 full days, including strategy sessions, live Forex trading and techniques, live Q&A, proprietary methodology training, and much, much more. Why should you attend? You'll have the opportunity to participate up close and personal with some of the most brilliant minds in Forex trading today. You'll be able to trade live with the best in the business. You'll be able to see when they enter trades and exit trades for maximum pip gains and why they are executing these trades. You will learn proprietary strategies that these Forex masters will share with you that they've accumulated over their years of Forex trading. You'll be able to ask questions. You'll be able to get real answers from some of the brightest Forex minds in the world. Now, to be able to keep this going, each speaker will be having an allotted amount of time. They'll have a Q&A session, and then at the end of the Q&A session, if you still have questions, we will allow you to move to our exhibit hall where that professional will go, and we want to make sure that everyone who attends gets all of their questions answered. The cool thing about this 3-day event is that you won't miss anything. Everything that we do at the big event will be archived, and if you choose to join up with us tonight, you'll be able to get access to this archive, because we know it's difficult for somebody to just take 3 full days out of their week and participate in the big event. You're going to learn new trading strategies for a profitable 2011 and beyond. The annual big event is totally online. Enjoy this incredible event from the comfort of your own home. If you're like some of our staff members, many of them will be sitting there having their favorite beverage, sitting in their underwear, hooked up to their desktop or laptop computers, and they'll be able to listen and save thousands of dollars on having to travel to a location, lodging, and what it would cost if you were to receive all of this tutelage from these various Forex experts on the road. Now, we have some of the people that's going to be speaking that charges range anywhere from $497 all the way up to $5,000 per 3 or 4 day event for you to travel to exotic places and hear these speakers speak. So imagine the possibilities of saving all this money, being able to sit at the comfort of your own home, having this annual big event online. If you miss any speaker, let's say that you have an interest in one of our speakers, at the time that they stop talking, you'll be able to go to an exhibit hall that we'll have set up. You'll continue to get all your questions answered, and then you'll be able to make a fundamental decision about listening more about that speaker. And all of this includes being able to come back at any time that you want by signing up immediately. Well, who's going to be there? My name is Forex Joe. I've been trading in the Forex market since the latter part of 2001, the first of 2002. I'm going to trade live along with Mr. Bill Tainer, the co-creator of the Forex Trader Pro software. No, we will not be selling the Forex Trader Pro software because we've already shut down taking applicants to that. But what we'll be doing is we'll be discussing the proper rules of engagement when trading non-farm payroll that allows you sometimes to score big pips. I'll also discuss how professional traders, what their mindset is about the non-farm payroll news. One day, for a complete 2 hours, we will open up our software. We will see what's happening in the markets. We will show you trades that we have executed the night before. We will execute any trades that happen during that 2-hour period, and we will share with you whether you're a scalper, intraday, swing, or position traders, some of our tidbits about looking for specific entries in the markets over the time that Bill and I speak. That in itself would be worth the price of admission for what we're charging for the Forex big event. If there was nobody else there except Forex Joe and Mr. Bill Tainer, we could charge 10 times more than what we're going to be charging for anyone to attend a big event. That, folks, is superb value. My good friend Dean Malone at Compass FX. I have spoken many times at events that Compass has put on. Dean has been kind enough to reciprocate and speak at all of our events. Dean will be discussing trading strategies of the traders, Dynamic Index, TDI. I would encourage everyone, if you've never heard Dean Malone talk, people listen. So Dean will be speaking, I think, 2 sessions of the 3 days. He's from Compass FX. He alone, if nobody else was speaking, could command 10 times more than what we're going to be asking you tonight to put forth to come to the big event. So imagine the possibility. Our first 2 speakers, Forex Joe, Dean Malone. And then when we share with you what the cost of this, why it's an absolute 100% no-brainer. Don't hesitate, don't procrastinate, just join the crowd. Chris Laurie. Chris Laurie is a professional hedge fund trader. He heads up his own hedge fund. I think the last 3 times we've talked to Chris, he's been in Vancouver, he's been in Australia, and now he's in Switzerland, which just happens to be some of the main financial capitals of the world. Chris is an extraordinary teacher in the fact that he shares with you how professionals who are trading huge hedge funds, and we're talking 10 figures, ladies and gentlemen, Chris will be sharing how he uses market inefficiencies and gaps as a tool to scalp the Forex market. So those of you that are wanting to scalp, absolutely, positively must get a seat, because he will share with you what the professionals are looking at if they're going to scalp the markets. Norm Hallett. Norm is a professional mindset guy. I had the pleasure of listening to Norm a few years ago, and then had him join at OU Forex Trader, where we're looking to have an educational portal of substance to where he has shared information about having the right trading discipline. Those of you that have followed Forex Joe in the past know that I have a psychology of trading utilizing mindset principles class that helps you overcome the biggest obstacle every person will face in the Forex markets. That's the computer that resides between your ears. I don't care how fabulous of a chart reader you are, how great you are at managing money, if you do not understand having the correct trading discipline in a $3.5 trillion a day market, you are going to be in some serious issues. Norm will give you 5 nuggets to forge your trading discipline. Once again, Norm could command by himself the price that we're going to ask you to participate over this 3-day period, and we've only got through 4 speakers. What I'm trying to reiterate, ladies and gentlemen, is the superb value of putting together a cast that will share these tidbits over a 3-day period that allows you the opportunity to participate in the most liquid market on earth. It's like having a total foundation. It doesn't matter if you are a scalper, an intraday trader, a swing trader, or a position trader. We have folks who will help you understand each one of those areas. Some of you have not yet chosen what type of trader you are, your trading personality. You absolutely, positively need to make the Forex Big Event a necessity for 2011. Bill Tainer, my tag team partner, the co-creator of the Forex Trader Pro C4 channel trading software. He's going to share with you the tools of the trade. Later on tonight, we will show you some of our software. It's not for sale. We will show you how to execute some trades that we put out on a daily basis using the MetaTrader 4 platform. And Bill will be sharing along, working with me, the tools of the trade in the Forex market. Steve Neeson, the Godfather. Anyone, everyone who uses MetaTrader 4 or any platform out there with candlesticks knows of Steve Neeson. He is the Godfather. We are blessed to have him come and speak and discuss with us Forex candlestick secrets made simple, connecting the Forex traders with opportunities. You have seen a surge in Forex markets in the last 3 to 5 years. Steve has been gracious enough, because he comes from a stock background, to get involved in the Forex side, and he's going to share candlestick secrets made simple that allows each and every one of you as Forex trader to have opportunity, recognize opportunity using the candlesticks. Folks, I am a numbers guy. I am not railroad tracks, doji this, doji to the left, doji to the right. It was Professor Plum who did it with the candlestick in the library. But what we did at OU Forex Trader, the educational portal of success for all Forex traders, is go out and get the Godfather to come in and spend a session with you and share with you what to look for and how to read the charts. This in itself is worth 10 times the price of admission of what it would normally cost if you were just going to get Steve by himself. What I'm trying to do is share with you the power of having this many speakers over a 3-day period, the power of you being able to come in and listen to where you might have weakness or interest in a certain area, that a speaker will help you and the power of being able to have this archived to where you can go back and slow this down at any time and stop the videos and listen to what the specific teacher professional is teaching you. That in itself is priceless. We have Hubert Centers. He's going to be discussing currency features. Hubert works with another gentleman that have been very successful doing what they do in the Forex markets, and it would be well worth the price of admission for you to show up and listen to Hubert discussing his currency features. Everything revolves around currency pairs going up and down. That's the beauty of the Forex markets. We don't have thousands of stocks, and it's an almost absolute that there is always a currency pair that will be going up, strengthening, while another currency pair will be going down, weakening. And when there's enough players in the market, it's a $3.5 trillion a day market, it gives you the opportunity for volatility where you have movement that helps generate positive pips. Gordon Scott is going to be helping you choose your Forex trader power tools and help you get the most out of the system. He is an expert coach, mentor, and some of you might want some one-on-one coaching to move to the next level with your Forex trading. He will share with you information that you need to know about mentoring, about coaching, and you can make a fundamental decision if this is where you currently reside at in your current journey learning the Forex markets. This is pretty exciting, isn't it? Sunil Mengwani from India. Sunil will share various Fibonacci ratios and the power of live trading. Sunil is part of the OU Forex family. Next month, he's going to be opening up his own live trading room that will be there several days a week, and he will make you an offer that you can't refuse. Now, he's not the Godfather, he's not Italian, but he's going to make you an offer that you can't refuse, especially if you want to learn about the specific Fibonacci ratios to use in the Forex markets. You would be surprised at what he does and the calculations that he uses in trading the Forex markets. Now, he has been beta testing his live trading room, and he has had some superb results. He will show you these results and allow you the opportunity, if you need help in that area, to participate in his live trading room that will be beginning next month at OU Forex Trader, several days a week. I don't know about you, but I'm starting to get a little bit excited. Once again, if all you did was just go to Sunil, and at the end of this month in February, Sunil is going to be speaking overseas in 2 overseas conferences. One of them is going to be in London, England. And it's going to cost a tremendous amount of money for people to fly into England, participate in this class, and then make sure they have a hotel, their passport, and have everything in order to be able to travel. Not everyone can do that. So Sunil has agreed to come and be part of this big event where you can sit at home in your underwear. You can sit on the beach as long as you got wireless internet. You can be anywhere and participate in listening to the online webinar seminars provided by the big event. Jason Stapleton will be talking about triple threat trading. I don't know much about Jason, but my understanding is this triple threat trading is something that he wants to share with everyone, and how you can achieve success in Forex when you understand the psychology behind it. Now, I know about everybody else. I don't know much about Jason. He was introduced to us from another person. So Jason will be a rookie this year. We'll put him to the test and see if he qualifies to come back at future events. So we're asking everyone to participate and listen to what Jason will have to say about the triple threat trading and how you can achieve success in Forex when you understand the psychology behind it. I will be looking forward to his presentation to see what he has to offer, and he has assured us that it will be worthy of a big event. If it is correct, we're adding just another layer with all the speakers that we're sharing with you folks, and the value just keeps adding up. The calculator it's like having a trade that's going and hitting those pips. It just keeps on calculating, keeps on giving. Cecil Robles will talk about trend trading. I know Cecil spoke at last year's event. It was well received. There was a lot of people that took his class and had tremendous results. So this year, Cecil is going to be talking about trend trading in Forex. As you can see, learning from just one or two of these Forex masterminds could be a true benefit to your Forex trading portfolio. But we're going to give you an opportunity to learn from every one of these experts by attending. Each one of these Forex professionals command top dollar to speak, teach, or train at various Forex events. I know that Mr. Chris Laurie is going to be in Florida here next week. Our staff is going to be there, and he is charging upwards of 4 figures for people to participate in a 2 or 3 day event. I know that Sunil is going to be speaking at 2 events overseas, one of them in London, and people are spending 4 figures to attend the event. And that doesn't count travel, lodging, and being able to put, take away 3 days, complete days of training. But guess what, ladies and gentlemen? We're not going to ask you to pay anything near that amount. What we're going to ask you to do is that understand the power of the internet. Understand the power of a group of Forex masterminds in one room, teaching, trading, and training over the course of 3 days. We know that it would be expensive. We wanted to make this event valuable and yet affordable. We wanted to make this basically a no-brainer. We're going to have 3 full days of Forex Mastermind training, March 2nd, 3rd, and 4th. You won't pay $997. Now, I've already said if you were just going to go see Sunil or Chris Laurie next week, you'd have had to pay more than this by themselves. 4 figures, not 3 figures. But you could command $997 to receive all these speakers. You could command $497, but we're not going to ask you to pay that. $297 would be a bargain. Or even $97. That would be a steal. So if you're not going to pay $997, $497, $297, if we're not going to steal it for $97, I've went through and given you the credentials of all the speakers, what they're going to be sharing. How much would it be worth to you in an area of weakness that you might need strength in an area that you might be looking for a mentor or a coach, or an area to where you are seeking a sense of direction to where you're stumbling into Forex markets or trying to find your specific trading personality? How much would it be worth to you? The bottom line is you'll get 12, maybe a couple more Forex professional speakers. We might throw in another 1 or 2 speakers that we're talking to who are trying to clear up their schedules. Live trading, live Q&A, proprietary methodologies, trading strategies, and more. 3 full days of boot camp instruction. This will Flow like a Ferrari. We have it all set up. About killed us last year, about killed me after the end of the 3 days. I was a Vegematic. But folks, it's worth the price of admission to us to make sure that everybody has such a superb time and you learn something. That's why I'm here, to help give back. All of this for only $49. There should not be any questions. There should not be any hesitation, no procrastination. What you need to do right now is take advantage for only $49 and go to www.oufxbigevent.com. www.oufxbigevent.com. That's www.oufxbigevent.com. The entire event will be recorded and available for you to watch for the next year at your convenience by purchasing today. Now let's think about this quickly as they put up the link for everyone to sign up. The 4X Big Event, $49, 12 speakers. The entire event will be recorded and available for you to watch for the rest of 2011 at your convenience. We understand that not everyone can be there for all 3 days and watch what's happening. So www.oufxbigevent.com. $49. It's worth the price of admission. It's a no-brainer. You don't hesitate. You don't procrastinate. You just take advantage of the superb value that we're offering for you to attend the 4X Big Event at $49.